Hey there, you. I want to take you on a journey to the land of Azure Data Factory and Azure Synapse pipelines. It's like embarking on an expedition to discover the treasures of integrated data. Picture this, you've got data popping out of every possible source you can imagine, and your aim is to make it useful, manageable, and also analytically appealing. Azure services are your trusty compass on this adventure. Now, I'm not just talking about going along without a map. Oh no, my dear friend, we're not just any adventurers. We're strategic IT professionals navigating the Layer 01 of data integration. We're going to weave our way through using ADF and Azure Synapse pipelines, ensuring not a single bite of potential insight is lost in the process. We'll get our hands dirty, and I can assure you, the fruits of labor will be worth it. Let's start with setting up our Azure resource in the portal because we're in it together. After creating our Azure resource group, I'll guide your Azure account and subscription, ensuring secure access with just me and you as our valiant team members. Imagine yourself holding the key to unlock this Azure treasure chest of data. With an arsenal of data sources ready, let's set the stage for our masterpiece. Azure Data Factory becomes our canvas, and we're the artists. We'll meticulously configure pipelines, adding life to our data flow, ensuring every piece of information finds its rightful place. You'll be the creator of data copy activities, making sure our sources and sinks play nice with one another. As we work, I'll dive deep into service principles and managed identities, ensuring the integrity of our resources. Just think of them as the secret guardians facilitating access without a pinch of our passwords. Secure and efficient, just how we like it. Now, every expert knows something that can't stay hidden. I'll show you the dark corners of the system, guiding you through troubleshooting with my trusty Azure dashboard at hand. Fiddlin'.